Hello, this is Bitcoin Guide. As expected, Bitcoin is rising well. Today, I'm back with a midterm market analysis video for the first time in a while. This is the current situation following the 65.3k long position entry from the video I posted previously. Bitcoin was in the process of finding a solid bottom after a sharp decline, and ever since I entered a long position at $65,390, $65,390.7, it has been rising in a very consistent and steady fashion. 16.5k at the peak, currently at a profit of 16,583.7. Shall we take a quick look at the previous analysis? The April 28th analysis was a short to long switch, which was a bit of a missed opportunity. After switching to long without touching the short level, it hit the level 2 zone after the top area and moved up. After the cancellation, it continued to rise. In the May 4th analysis, I had a long position pending at the 77.8k lower gap zone, but it moved up without touching it. Looking at the other side, within the long position re-entry zone, the price has been rising steadily since that re-entry. That concludes our brief market update for the moment. Let's take a moment to examine the Bitcoin daily chart. Generally speaking, we can see that the decline initially began from the high peak of this resistance line, and if it fails to break through the connected resistance line, the downtrend will certainly continue. Since this area was recently broken, the uptrend that I previously mentioned is currently very well underway. Typically, when we find ourselves in a clear downtrend, the asset consistently fails to break through the established resistance line and it simply continues to fall further. Do you see what I mean? That is exactly the situation we are facing right now. At this moment, the most important part to consider is, given that we haven't seen any kind of retracement up to this point, if we don't see a pullback down to that lower gap 10 zone, specifically that lower gap which was established just last week, at some point over the next 2 weeks, then it is entirely possible that the price will continue to climb quite strongly. Are you still with me on that, or did you manage to follow that so far? Please subscribe and click the like button so you can be the first to receive all of our latest updates. Thank you so much for watching.